If you've ever tried writing a newsletter with ChatGPT or some general AI tool, you probably know the feeling. It kind of works, but the result usually sounds bland, robotic, and definitely not like something you'd send. That's where Copy AI really flips the script. Unlike ChatGPT, which resets every time you prompt it, Copy AI lets you create a workspace that actually remembers you, your voice, your brand, and your goals. So in this video, I'm going to show you how I use Copy AI to create an entire newsletter, from a rough topic idea to a polished email, all inside one workspace that remembers my brand voice. And yep, there's a free plan you can use to test everything out. I've linked it along with all the exclusive discounts in the description below. Alright, let's jump in. First, head over to Copy AI and sign up, and you'll land right in the dashboard. From here, click on Chat. To start building your newsletter, I usually kick things off by asking for topic ideas. So I'll type something like, "What are some newsletter topic ideas for a productivity-focused audience?" In a couple seconds, it throws out a list of titles and themes that are actually pretty solid. Now I'm scanning through and one catches my eye: setting smart goals that actually work. Nice. That's the one I'll go with. Now, before jumping into the full newsletter, I like to build an outline first. This helps guide the AI, and honestly, it helps me feel more in control of the structure. So next prompt, write an outline for a newsletter about setting smart goals that actually work. Within seconds, it gives me a clean structure: intro, 3 or 4 key points, and a conclusion. You can always tweak the outline by adding a section or combining points, but honestly, this one's good to go. Now here comes the fun part, turning this into a full draft. But here's something important to know. Copy AI's free plan gives you 2,000 words per month, and that includes every word the AI sends you. So instead of asking it to write the entire newsletter in one go, which can eat up your quota quickly, I use a more efficient approach that still gives me a full result. Here's what I do. First, I prompt, using the outline, summarize each section in 1 to 2 sentences, casual and first person. Once I like those quick summaries, I follow up with, now expand each summary into a short paragraph. Keep it friendly, clear, and easy to read. This way, I'm still building the complete newsletter, but in more focused steps that avoid wasting words on filler or repetition. And the tone, still completely on point. If something feels too stiff or too long, I just reply with, make it more casual. Orient, shorten the second paragraph. And it instantly adjusts. I've noticed that Copy AI is really good at following voice tone. Once you've had a few conversations inside your workspace, it sort of picks up on your rhythm, your phrasing, energy, and even sentence length. So every new draft starts feeling more like you. Now, before you finalize anything, don't forget the subject line. This is what decides whether someone opens your email or scrolls right past it, so I like to generate a few versions. Prompt: give me 5 subject line options for this newsletter under 60 characters. Boom! 5 ideas, all clean and relevant. If I want them to feel a little more fun or curious, I'll just say, make them more playful, or add emojis, and it instantly refreshes the tone. This back and forth style is what I really like about using Copy AI Chat. It's not like a one-shot tool where you paste a prompt and hope for the best. You're actually building out a piece in layers, and the AI helps polish each part. Once the draft feels solid, I do a quick read-through, maybe make some tweaks, and then I copy the final version out of the chat window. From there, I drop it into whatever email platform I'm using, Beehive, Substack, or MailChimp. I'll format the text a bit, add bold for key lines, maybe an emoji, a link to a product or article. Sometimes I'll toss in a banner image if I want a more visual look, but the heavy lifting already done inside Copy AI, and just like that, the newsletter's ready to go. Now, in case you're wondering about pricing, here's a quick breakdown. Copy AI has a free plan that gives you 2,000 chat words per month using GPT 3.5. More than enough to test everything I just showed you, especially if you use the section-based method we covered. If you're doing more frequent campaigns or need longer content, the Pro plan starts at $49 per month with unlimited words and access to GPT-4. There's also an advanced plan at $249 per month for teams and agencies. That one includes workflows, brand voice features, and collaboration tools. So that's it. An entire newsletter from idea to inbox built inside Copy AI. If the blank page has been holding you back, or you've been trying to force ChatGPT to sound like you, give this a shot. It feels more like you're collaborating with the AI instead of fighting it. And for another helpful AI tutorial to stay productive, watch this video next.